Welcome. In front of me I have X-Line Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the XW Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once you open the application, you should see the data page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see your Joli XW right here. Now scroll down through this page, find the unbind button, tap on it, tap on confirm, tap on OK. As you can see, our watch disappeared from the device page. Now we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see Joli XW watch. Find it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to disconnect it from your iPhone. And once you're done, close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.